everybody. Good evening. This is Jean and Maxwell.
Yes, you always sound like a cowboy whenever you start your videos.
I sound like a cowboy.
Or like a cowgirl. Like,
hey, everybody. Hey, everybody. Here's Maxwell and I. This is just a very, very quick special video. I didn't know we were even going to make it. We're dressed up because we just came back from our Assembly Hall of Jehovah's Witnesses. We had an assembly today with about 600 or 700 of our brothers and sisters, our family.
Wasn't exactly. It was 699. 699
people. We're listening to talks about love and how we can express love, kindness, forgive each other. Just wonderful, wonderful program that we were just at. We just came in. We pulled in the driveway. Because we're taking a day off of downsizing. I'm fed up with packing. But I had received a message 3 days ago from two chaps, Aaron and Chip, of Fiber Hustle Podcast on YouTube. Look them up. I had received this message on Friday, November the 1st, very early, saying they had obviously watched Maxwell's and my video.
That was funny.
It was funny that when we went to the DMV and Maxwell, we were talking about Maxwell being slightly obsessed. Slightly obsessed.
No, really obsessed.
Really obsessed with blenders. I got this email. I got this conversation. Dear Jean, we are huge fans of your podcast. I have a podcast. I know.
Podcast.
And wanted to send Maxwell something from Amazon.com on his wish list for his new home. We know you're trying to get rid of stuff, but LOL. This is for Maxwell and hope it brings a healthy new routine. Routines are important. It should arrive on Saturday and is addressed to you. Best wishes to your family in your upcoming new home. Your friends Aaron and Chip of Fiber Hustle Podcast on YouTube. Well, on Friday, as soon as I got that message, I sent them a message. Dear Aaron and Chip, what? Thank you so very much. I won't tell Maxwell yet. We'll surprise him with a surprise. You are very, very kind. He will be thrilled and appreciative of that, I can assure you. Many humble thanks again. They said, of course, it's going to our home. Unfortunately, the gift wrap and the note wasn't an option. So once he opens the box, that's that. If it's not quite right, please feel free to exchange it on Amazon for something. I love when people get exactly what they hope for. I take no offense. And remember, it's not more stuff for you. You're downsizing. This is for Maxwell. Have a lovely weekend, Chip. Well, we've just had a lovely weekend at our lovely Bible meeting, and we come home, get out of the car, and Maxwell, what happened?
This arrived, and I actually thought it was a joke.
It's a ninja!
It is a ninja. I can't pronounce that.
It's called Nutri?
The Nutri Ninja.
The Nutri Ninja. What have you been, hold it up, what have you been wanting?
A Nutri Ninja?
A Nutri Ninja?
And I thought it was, I was confused when I saw this thing. I was all confused.
I'm overwhelmed. Are you overwhelmed?
Not really.
Not really?
No.
Are you thrilled?
You could say that.
You could say that.
Even though I don't express it on camera, but oh
yeah, well. I think Maxwell's a bit overwhelmed, and he's not gonna express it right now.
If you want to see a part 2 of me actually unboxing this, why not? I'll unbox this for you guys.
We're gonna go unbox it. Maxwell's very, very, very thankful, and what do we say to Chip and Aaron?
Thank you, and I'll probably give you a follow back.
Yes, I follow them, and check them out. What lovely, lovely guys, and wow, that made our day. Maxwell got a ninja. He's been wanting one, so I don't have to buy one. It's not stuff. It's for Maxwell. He's very thrilled, I can tell, and emotional. So we're going to cut off right now, but that's right now. We're going to do this, and all of our humble, wonderful thanks to you, Aaron and Chip. Awesome. You made our Saturday evening.
Yes.
So thank you so much. Thank them.
Thank you.
See ya. Bye.
Aaron and Chip.
Yes. Thank you.
Are we gonna record another session?
Yeah.
Don't actually record me unboxing it, but don't post it until like a day later.
Okay. Okay.
Like then I'll do the first actual blend.
Yeah.
In the actual.
We'll get some Greek yogurt. Somebody put in Greek yogurt and strawberries.
And this actually comes with a recipe book.
Brilliant.
I want to do it with you. Get in here.
Okay. I'm thrilled.